Well, that bitch is ready for paint. I'm gonna end up painting the cab first and then this tomorrow because I got other shit to paint, so I'll just paint those together with this bed. Um, yep. I'm gonna seal it, paint, clear, and we're done with the cab. I've already masked in here. Yep. Like, see, I'm gonna paint this and then the hood together. Because I'm limited on space because of this fucking turd. So I gotta fucking do shit slowly. Hopefully I get rid of that soon. Next month. And then he's gonna actually cut the roof off. Because it's all fucked up. So he's gonna chop the roof off. So all I'm gonna do is replace the quarters, do the body work. That's pretty much it. Oh, and what's it called? Fucking floor. Has holes in it, so I'm gonna replace the floor pans. Yep. Looking good. Check this shit out. Holy fuck. Yes, sir. I gotta do some more sanding here and there, tiny bit, and then I'm gonna seal it up. I just got done sealing it up. Shit came out good. Just got a little fucking sag right here. I'm the king of sags, man. Just kidding. It's just two, tiny. I'm gonna hit them with 800 grit dry. It's been like what, 20 minutes? I can already sand some of it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Everything looks damn good. Top is good. I hate doing the top, it's hard. Too short for this shit. Before I hit that up though, I'm gonna tack rag it and sand the, what's it called? The hard overspray. It's not too hard. Pause. But it's good. Here's this side. I didn't seal this side, there's really no need to. fuck I need to put to there. Shit. But yep. Yes, sir. Looking good. Alright, y'all. So I ended my run that I had here with 800. It's nice and smooth. That way, whenever I go to paint and clear, I don't see it there. Here I'm just tacking it down. But get all that overspray out. Make sure y'all tack the paper too. Especially on the windows. See how it gets the overspray? Not too bad. I know the roof is gonna be somewhat rough, but that's expected because I'm fucking short. Yes, sir. So if I don't tack in between coats, then the overspray is gonna keep building up. Like what's in the air is gonna come down on it, on the panels. If I don't tack it and I go to paint, you're gonna see like little debris. And I'm gonna do 3 coats of paint, 3 of clear, and it's gonna add up, and I'm gonna have to polish the shit out of it, which I probably think I will anyway because I don't have a fucking fan here. It's a fucking bitch to get a clean ass paint job in here. So it sucks. So let me do the roof. So see how it works. Look, almost missed it. This has the most. You're about to see. See that? I don't want to paint and the air hits it and goes flying everywhere. So gotta make sure it gets paper. See that? I just got done tacking the truck, and here's what my tack rag looks like. And this is fairly new when I used it for this truck. It's already fucking dirty, but that's what happens when you don't have a extraction fan. It still happened, but not as much as this. And I can't put one here because since I have like neighbors, I can't have all the overspray hit their trucks and cars. But fucking man, let's go ahead and shoot some paint on it. There it is. That's 2 coats of base. Base means color, by the way. Looks good, except for the color. I don't like. I'm not a fan of it. Never was from the start, but it's on my truck. It's all good. I did 2 coats. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna just go over and get some spots where I missed, because this paint covers damn good. So there's really no need for 3 full coats. Looking damn good though. I was accidentally on the phone for like 40 minutes with my brother, so I've let it flash for a minute. So it's good enough though. Already tacked it. I guess I'm just gonna spot paint where I missed and go ahead and do that clear coat. Alright, yeah, here's the first coat of clear coat. It's a little drier. By a little, I mean in some spots. But it's not supposed to like glass out first coat of clear. By the second coat, it should look pretty damn glossy. But yeah, that's what it looks like right now. First coat. God, I'm about to get high as fuck in here, man. Felt like shit earlier. That's what it looks like. Looks nice, man. I wish we would have added some pearl. I mean, I'm not the best with it, but I'm sure it'll look a lot better. I mean, first time I tried pearl, I fucked up. Like a pearl paint job, I fucked up bad. And, like, bad. Like, I had to send it to another shop bad. But, you live and you learn. Like, that was like when I first started. Now, if I were to do it now, I think I'd do it fucking badass. But I don't know. It was the one that was right here. It's not there anymore. The sealer. You know, I got a little sag right here somewhere. But yeah, I'll cut y'all back on when I do the last coat of clear. See how it looks. It's gonna look a lot better though, I'll tell you that. First coat, I do a big fan. And then for my second and third, I go down on the fan. This first coat is pretty much just to, it's kind of hard to explain, like to adhere to the panel, I guess. It's not supposed to like be so reflective and shiny, but that's what the second and third coat are for. But we're doing good. Pretty happy with what it looks like. There it is after 3 coats. I was spraying over here and my hose was leaking and I got some fucking water. All I have to do is buff it. It's not as shiny as painting in the booth because, like I said, this fucking overspray is just gonna come down on this paint. That's what fucks everything up. Like in here, you'll never get a clean ass paint job. That's what I fucking hate. Never. But maybe one day I have my own shop. I can paint badass. So there it is. Clean ass paint. Let's look at the roof. There's the roof. Not too bad, huh? There it is. Tomorrow my plan is to paint that bed, paint the hood, the grill. I think that's it. Some other pieces. That's pretty much it for this. I might buff it lightly. Nothing crazy. But yep. Did I get any runs? Hold on. I got a little tiny one right there. That's the only one. Yep. So cab is done. Stay tuned for more videos, y'all.